Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Zack Hatcher and you're here on Zack's Corner. Nice to have you guys. So we're here at Linthicum, Maryland at one of our beautiful... Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Zack Hatcher. Hey, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Zack's Corner, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, for all the love, support, likes, comments, subscribe, shares, views, guys. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. So today we got a really special episode, right? It's really interesting what we're going to talk about. So for those of you who know me on a personal level, I love real estate. I love helping people, right? That's what I feel like I've been put on earth to do. But what I also love is business. I love reading about it. I love learning about them. I love watching the CEO talk about how he went from point A to point B in this business. I love building businesses. I just love the concept of business in general, right? It's super intriguing and fascinating to me. So I love talking about it. I love reading about it. So Amazon, right? Amazon, which is the most gigantic retail e-commerce business in the world, right? They sell in France, India, Mexico, Canada, United States. They sell all over the place, right? So from where they actually derive from, which is the United States, in 2018, Amazon paid $0 in federal taxes. Not only in 2018, but 2019. In 2018, not only did they not pay any federal taxes, but they received a $129 million tax rebate from the federal government, right? So let's get this straight so that everyone knows and understands the concept. Amazon, who generated $11 billion in 2018, paid $0 in Fed taxes in 2018 and got back $129 million. Okay? So, guys, Amazon, Jeff Bezos, and those guys over there, they are freaking insanely genius, right? But hold up, they're not the only ones, okay? So I know we've heard of companies like General Motors. Well, General Motors, they also didn't pay any money in federal taxes in 2018, okay? I know we've heard of companies like Southwest Airlines and Goldman Sachs. Well, since 2008, they've had similar cases reported as well. So not only is this something that is not mutually exclusive to Amazon, but this is something that's not brand new either, right? So, guys, we're going to talk about the 4 things that can make this possible, right? We got 1, we got 2, we got 3, we got 4. So number 1, stock-based comp. So employee stock-based compensation, which is self-explanatory, right? So companies like Amazon know that if I pay some of my employees in stock-based compensation, well, I can write off 100% of that and get all of the money back from whatever those amount of stocks are worth, right? Which is freaking genius, right? So also number 2, is got tax credits on massive investments. This is called, CapEx, capital expenditures. Okay, so when we see Amazon building hubs in Virginia, New York, all the money, the millions and billions of dollars is taking them to build these massive hubs. Well, guess what? The CapEx rule allows them to write off 100% of these massive investments, right? Which is freaking genius. Like I said, once again, that's why I love business, guys. So number 3 is when companies can do what's called a carry forward from the years that the business was not profitable. So in layman's terms, and in a politically correct term also, defer or deferring. So what happens is that once you start bringing millions and billions of dollars into the marketplace, you're bringing jobs and you become a benefit. It becomes a benefit to the marketplace to have your business alive and doing well. Guess what? The federal government will allow you to say, hey, I'm not going to pay taxes this year. I'm going to defer it to next year. Right? And the last one, which is so important, we're going to jump into it in detail a little bit, is the Republicans' tax cut in 2017. So at the end of 2017, Donald Trump, which is our current president, and the Republicans did what's called a tax cut at the end of 2017, right? Which gave the investor and the business owner so much more leverage and benefit and tax benefits of just being a business owner or an investor, right? And we'll talk about it. So in 2017 or before, the highest rate that individuals would get taxed is 39.6% if you made $470,700 or more, right? As a married couple and an individual. So now, after the tax cut was done, that 39.6% has been dropped to 37%, and that threshold of $470,700 or $470,700, excuse me, has been boosted from there to $500,000 for individuals and $600,000 for married couples, right? So that is a huge advantage for the wealthy, for individuals who are in that threshold. Once you boost that number, that 2.6%, you could just save a ton of money on the back end, right? So one of the most important parts of that tax cut in 2017 by the Republicans was what it did for the businesses, okay? So in 2017, it used to be, and before that, excuse me, it was 35% was what the businesses were taxed, right? It's what a business owner was taxed for his business. Okay? So starting January 1st of 2018, moving forward, this 35% dropped to 21%. Right? So this is insane drop. This is the largest one-time rate cut, in the United States history. So the rate has dropped and went up over time, right? Fluctuated, but this is the largest it's dropped at one time, which is 14%. So obviously, when we do simple math, if your business grows $100,000, well, you brought home $65,000. But now, if your business brings home $100,000, you're able to bring home $79,000. But here's the thing, guys. You boost this 100K to $100 million. Well, now you're talking about millions and millions of dollars that you're saving in tax benefits on the back end. So that's why it's super, super important to have this information and to have this knowledge, guys. So thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate you so much. I hope you guys learned something. I'll put the link in the description below for the CNBC article that'll give you some more information on Amazon's tax benefits. I'll also give you guys some more information. I'll also put the link in the description below, for the 2017 Republicans tax cut, so you guys can read up some more on that as well. Guys, please, thank you so much. Like I said, like, comment, subscribe, share. It means the world to me. And you know how we do, baby. It's Zack's Corner. Love you guys.